India, the birthplace of one of the oldest continuing civilizations on the earth. The name India makes us think of its yummy food, yoga, colorful festivals, films, and rich music and dance forms. It's a party time on most of the days of the year. At the Great India Festival, we showcase classical and contemporary dance and music performances by international, national, and local artists. Authentic Indian food is prepared on site by volunteer chefs and cooks, and cooking demos are also showcased. We have many other interactive workshops, such as ones that nourish the mind and body, like yoga, meditation, and the arts. We also organize intellectual discussions, discourses, and debates on topics such as culture and philosophy. If you want to experience incredible India in all its endless varieties of food, music, dance, and culture, you don't have to go to India. We bring India to you in Ottawa. Come and enjoy on all 3 days. Admission is free. India is waiting to meet and greet you.